I work from home. I have a work computer, I have a personal computer, and I also have a desktop that my family uses, and this is all in my office space. I have 3 different wireless keyboards that don't talk to each other. This Logitech keyboard eliminates all 3 of those, allowing me to have just this one keyboard. This is the primary reason for buying this keyboard. I don't have to move a little stick between keyboards. All I have to do is click a button. I bought this keyboard and mouse combo about 5 months ago, and it's my favorite office supply. You can program up to 3 different computers and just toggle between them by pushing those buttons. I love the finish. It's a matte finish. I love the color. It feels great. It looks great. I wanted a mechanical keyboard. I love the clicking of the keys. It's not too loud, and the feedback from the push of a button is just so satisfying. And so as the light dims, the keyboard actually illuminates with a backlight. Let me show you. The keyboard only lights up when you're near it. You could dim it down, all controlled here. Only light up when you are using it or when it senses your hands are near the keyboard. So let me show you how it dims. I'll give it a minute or so. There we go. So it just dimmed by itself when it's not in use, and then as my hands get closer, it senses that I'm about to use it. So this keyboard is actually part of a combo that I bought. It came with this mouse. This is the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse for Mac. This is ergonomic, so my hand just, rests just like this. You can adjust the scrolling to have that feedback bump, so it can have that little click, or it can be super smooth and fast, so you can change that. And if you're like me and you're in Excel or Google Sheets literally all day, you can use this horizontal scrolling feature to go back and forth, and it goes left and right on the screen. This makes it so much easier to scroll and navigate the documents that I'm in. And just like the keyboard, this mouse can be programmed to 3 different computers. And I set up these numbers just like my keyboard. So number 1 is my personal, my work, and then my desktop. But together, both the keyboard and the mouse, they create a faster workflow and allows me to switch seamlessly between my machines in my day-to-day. And honestly, they look fantastic too.